Hey there, fellow riders. Welcome back to our channel, where we're all about motorcycles, adventure, and debunking myths. In today's video, we're diving into the world of dangerous motorcycle myths that need to be busted once and for all. These myths can mislead riders and compromise their safety on the road. In this video, we'll debunk these myths and provide you with accurate information. So, grab your helmets, rev up your engines, and let's separate fact from fiction. 1. Speed is everything. Myth number 1, speed is everything on a motorcycle. While it's true that motorcycles can offer thrilling speed, it's crucial to emphasize that responsible riding is about much more than just going fast. It is important to maintain a safe speed, understand road conditions, and use defensive riding techniques. 2. Loud pipes save lives. Myth number 2, loud pipes save lives. Many riders believe that having a loud exhaust system makes them more noticeable on the road. There is no evidence to support this claim. Loud pipes may draw attention to a motorcycle, but they can also annoy and distract other drivers, leading to road rage and accidents. Focus on effective strategies for increasing visibility, such as wearing high-visibility gear, using reflective materials, and utilizing proper signaling techniques. 3. Helmets are optional. Myth number 3, helmets are optional. This is a dangerous misconception that we need to address head-on. It is important to wear a Department of Transport approved helmet at all times when riding a motorbike. There are various types of helmets available, with different features, and they provide essential protection in case of an accident. Four, motorcycles are only for daredevils. Myth number 4, motorcycles are only for daredevils. There are a diverse community of riders who enjoy motorcycles for various reasons. With proper training and responsible riding, the joy of exploring the world on two wheels is for everyone. 5. Motorcycles are more dangerous than cars. Myth number 5, motorcycles are more dangerous than cars. While it's true that motorcycles come with their own set of risks, however, education, training, and adopting safe riding practices can significantly mitigate those risks. It is always important to practice defensive riding and have situational awareness. Motorcycles are not inherently more dangerous than cars. However, they do require more skill and attention to operate safely due to their smaller size and lack of protection. 6. Helmets reduce visibility and hearing. Helmets are designed to provide maximum protection without compromising visibility or hearing. In fact, many helmets come with built-in features that enhance visibility and reduce wind noise. Helmets are designed with safety in mind and provide an adequate field of vision. They go through rigorous testing to ensure that your peripheral vision is not compromised. Wearing a helmet is crucial to protect your head and face in case of an accident, so always prioritize safety and wear a helmet that fits properly. 7. It's safer to ride in the center of the lane. Proper lane positioning is crucial for a rider's safety. In some situations, riding in the center of the lane may expose you to oil spills, debris, or other hazards. It's safer to ride in the left or right portion of the lane, depending on traffic conditions. It's important to assess the road conditions and adjust your lane position accordingly, maintaining a safe distance from vehicles and potential hazards. 8. You can't brake hard on a motorcycle. Modern motorcycles are equipped with advanced braking systems that allow for quick stops in emergency situations. However, proper braking technique is essential to avoid locking up the wheels and losing control. 9. You don't need protective gear if you're just going for a short ride. Accidents can happen at any time, regardless of how far you're riding. Protective gear such as helmets, jackets, gloves, and boots can help reduce the severity of injuries in the event of a crash. 10. You can ride a motorcycle without a license. Operating a motorcycle without a license is illegal and dangerous. Proper training and licensing are essential to ensure that riders have the skills and knowledge necessary to operate a motorcycle safely. 11. You don't need to maintain your motorcycle regularly. Regular maintenance is essential to keep your motorcycle running smoothly and safely. Neglecting maintenance can lead to mechanical failures and accidents. 12. You can ride a motorcycle in any weather. Riding a motorcycle in adverse weather conditions such as rain, snow, or ice can be extremely dangerous. It's important to check weather forecasts and avoid riding in hazardous conditions. 13. You can't be injured in a low-speed crash. Even low-speed crashes can result in serious injuries such as broken bones, head trauma, and spinal cord injuries. Protective gear and safe riding practices are essential to minimize the risk of injury in any type of crash. 14. Motorcycle jackets are too hot to wear in warm weather. While it's true that some motorcycle jackets are designed for cooler climates, there are plenty of options available for warmer weather riding. Lightweight and breathable jackets with proper ventilation are specifically designed to keep you protected without causing discomfort. Don't compromise safety for the sake of convenience or fashion. 15. Hand signals are outdated and unnecessary. This couldn't be further from the truth. Hand signals are an essential communication tool for motorcyclists, especially when riding in a group or when your turn signals are malfunctioning. Knowing and using hand signals can help improve communication and prevent accidents. So, make it a habit to learn and use proper hand signals when riding. 16. Reflective gear is only necessary at night. Wrong. Reflective gear is essential for increasing your visibility to other motorists at all times, regardless of the lighting conditions. Wearing reflective vests, jackets, or accessories significantly improves your chances of being seen by other drivers during the day or in low-light situations. Don't underestimate the power of visibility. And there you have it, folks. We've debunked some of the most dangerous motorcycle myths that have been circulating. It's crucial to separate fact from fiction and prioritize safety on the road. Always wear a helmet, choose proper gear for the weather, use hand signals, position yourself correctly on the road, and make yourself as visible as possible. Now, it's time to hit the road with confidence, knowledge, and a commitment to ride safe and smart. Remember, it's not just about the thrill of the ride, it's about being a responsible rider who enjoys the freedom of motorcycles while prioritizing safety. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more motorcycle safety tips and tricks. Ride safe, everyone.